Welcome back, guys, to Kyler's Farm World. Today we are at 126 grand, and we're not there yet, but I think we can soon be able to achieve our goal. So today we have a goal, and that's to get a new tractor. And I'll just show you guys. Right here is what we're going after. I was planning to get this one, the 380 horsepower, but it's expensiver, and there's only a 20 horsepower difference, and this one's 10 times cheaper. So that's why we're going for her. And we are also... and our hogs are fully grown, I think. If not, they're close. So, we are going to be selling our hogs, selling our grain, and I think we might get enough money to get the tractor. So let's get into it. So first up here, we want to get our hogs in the trailer. Load them all up. Then we head out. So let's head to the animal market. So after that load, we got $4,000. The market's not really high, but it's still fine. Whenever opportunity I get to sell, when my hogs are full, I sell them right away, get new ones. So yeah, let's just do that a couple more times. So after that, we now have 143 grand to our name. Still not enough to get the tractor, but I have a little trick up my sleeve. Okay, so to be honest, it's not really a trick. It's just I have some leftover grain in my bins and I'll sell it. So I'll just sell that, and that might get me to my profit. So let's load up here. Loading up. Loading. Keep them doggies moving right. Now I just got that song stuck in my head. Let's head down. So we head down to the grain elevator, and I'll meet you after we get all our corn sold. Couple loads later, this is our final load. I'll leave the rest for the hogs. We're gonna get it sold here. So first one, money. $1,000 for that. I forgot to do it when the market is high. My fault, but no well. And we still don't have enough to get the tractor. But I do have a last resort plan. Actually, this is one of my plans how I'm going to get to it. And I think it might just work. So let's get back to the farm. This thing really rolls cold pulling these gravity wagons. Must be heavy. Including when they're empty. And you can pull them in real life when they have no grain in them. Yeah. Nothing's perfect. That's for sure. Let's drop these here. And here's what I'm planning. Let's get out here. Let's go on dealership. Go on tractors. And we're going to buy a good old 1206. Then, after we buy that, we're gonna go on equipment. Then our Max 30 tractor. We will sell it for some money. So, after that, we have enough to get the tractor. So let's head down to the dealership. Arriving at the dealership here, I like to purchase things the proper way. Buddy is dancing. Anyway, though, and we are going to be buying our new tractor. Here we are. Bam. Bam. We just got ourselves a new tractor, so let's check this thing out. Come on, buddy. Chewy. I need to think of a better name than Chewy. I don't know why, but I just don't like it. For now, I'll just call him Chewy. Here she is. She's a beaut. Now we have something to tow a bigger planter now. Now I can upgrade my planter, finally. I can walk on top of the tracks, kind of. Where's my dog? Oh, for heaven's sakes. Come on, Chewy, let's get this out. That is a wonderful sound. Oh yeah. I'm gonna take this thing home. So let's go. And have a little fun while at it. Whee! Oh. That was lame. I'll take the back roadway, keep it realistic. Let's go. It's a beautiful day, the drive. Got this wheat here, don't ask about it. Let's turn down here. Let's keep going. What do you think of this, Chewy? I still can't believe I actually bought this. I mean, now I can tow a bigger planter. I can tow some bigger fertilizer applicates. This is a pretty big update to the farm. Really exciting. Really exciting. Just keep going along here. I'm almost at the farm. Chewy looks excited. I think this was the first quad tracks ever made. I think Case was the first, then came John Deere. Or was it New Holland that came next? I don't know. I know my combines by heart, but I don't know. But I know a little less about tractors, which is sad. Whee! Let's get her parked in the shed here. Slow down, steer. One thing that's really cool that the Squad Built Inc. did, how they added the echoing in the ground. Can't imagine how hard that was. Back her up here. There we go. Chewy can go do his own thing. Let's get out here. Now I'll tow the rest of the vehicles back home, and I'll see you then. One thing for sure is that it has been a minute since I've been in the 1206. 1206 is a good old classic for this game. It's pretty nice. Yeah. Well, after a little bit, got everything home right now, and we bought our new tractor, which is unbelievable. So next up will probably be this planter right here. Because I don't know why, but planting is boring for me. Really boring. So that will be next on my upgrades. And that's going to be a little spendy. But still, guys, that's going to end today's video. And also today's Mom's birthday. So if it's still Thursday, go on to the comments and shout out happy birthday to my mom. Anyway, though, guys, that's going to end today's video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. And subscribe for more. Over and out.